Hey guys, I want to make a quick video, show you two things. Let's go ahead and start with making the custom amenities for our three categories from the homepage to get our listings categorized the way you need them. Um, Pretty straightforward. It's just going to configuration, vacation rentals, amenities tab, and then we're going to add a new amenity. I see that you have some groups already, so you can put them, where you want. I usually drop them into the area called custom amenities. It just makes sense for kind of keeping it organized, but that's really up to you. So at the bottom, add new amenity. You select your group. Group logic for this does not matter, so whichever one you choose will not change anything, so that doesn't matter. Usually, I just recommend titling the amenity exactly what it's for. I know those titles on the homepage are a little long, so you could do a short version if you want. Purchasable, don't need to worry about that. Show on website amenity list. Leaving that unchecked means that this amenity doesn't show on any of the properties pages in the amenities list that will get this amenity. So you would leave that unchecked. Um, for the use as a unit filter site, checking that box will add it to your filters list. But in order for me to get the ID to write the short code, that box has to be checked. So this would be a temporary thing where you'll make the amenity and you'll check use as unit filter on site. And then once I've gone and grabbed those IDs, I can come in the system for you and uncheck those so that they're not visible as a filter anymore. And then they'll still have the functionality through the short code. It's just that one tool I showed you guys that our short code creator needs that box checked in order for it to pull over. Once I get it set, then I can uncheck it and everything will be fine. So that's basically all you got to do. And then once the amenity is available, it's going to be the same thing as going to the properties that need that amenity, just like you would any other amenity, and assign it to to those properties. And once all that's set, I'll pop in the short codes, and then that should pull all of the units by the amenity category, and that should solve the neighborhood short code issue. The second item is the virtual tours. So I'm just going to go ahead and come to, I think I did it on Beach Villas BT 102. Close this little pop-up. Scroll down. So I put in an iframe. You can use this as your example, and then you just replace the source link for each one. But I did get confirmation that this can't just be a URL. It does need to be the iframe. So this one can be used as an example. So you can just use that to update all your properties that have a virtual tour to include an iframe. And I need to adjust the height so that it fits the full tour in there, but you see that this one is working because I have an iframe. So go ahead and do that. I'll adjust the space for the virtual tour on the site so the full iframe does display, but the iframe code is good to use. And just for reference one more time, the example is Beach Villas BT 102. Hope that helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions.